Hi, today we're going to look at the RØDE VideoMicro microphone. It's a very powerful little microphone for your DSLR camera. Let's take a look. VideoMicro is a small little compact microphone that has an actual windsock that comes with it. This one was actually picked up at Best Buy for $59.99. I've heard a lot about RØDE microphones from a lot of people, and a lot of the vloggers out there, they truly love their RØDE. So I figured I'd go ahead and see what all the fuss was about and everything else. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. So here's the actual microphone itself. It is very, very small. And it's got good metal grating all the way through. It's got a standard 3.5mm jack. It actually comes with a shoe mount stabilizer for the actual microphone itself. That way there's no vibrations or anything else along the way. And this just clips right into it. And it keeps it very, very stable whenever you're moving around. Comes with a nice little cable that's ready to go right out of the bat. Now, I have seen some other reports and everything that if you want to use this with an iPhone, you can get a different shoehorn mount for it, but you also have to get another cable, because this one is only like a little stereo cable, but you need the one for the iPhone that actually has, instead of 2 of the black bars, you need one that has 3. And those cables are available from RØDE directly. This is the little windsock that actually comes with it. Depending on what part of the world you're in, some of them call them a dead gopher. Some people call them a dead cat. They actually have on the box it listed as a furry windshield, and it's just nice and foam on the inside, but it's got this fur coat all the way around it that actually helps prevent wind noise. It's really handy, and it just slips directly on. Push it nice and tight, and there is the wind diffuser right on the device. Comes with a nice little quick start guide. I'm going to go ahead and mount it on the camera, and then we're going to go ahead and see how well the audio sounds with the RØDE VideoMicro. Okay, I went ahead and got the new microphone on now, and so this audio that you're actually hearing now is actually coming from the VideoMicro microphone from RØDE. If it sounds better or sounds worse, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you think that it sounds better or worse with this microphone. The audio itself we're going to leave untreated all the way across this entire video, so that way you'll know for sure that the original audio was from the microphone from the actual Canon camera, and this part of the audio is directly from the actual microphone itself. Please leave a like if you found this video informative, or a dislike if you didn't like the video, but leave us a comment why and tell us why you didn't like the video. Or leave us a comment and tell you why you liked the video. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then the bell right next to it, and it'll let you know when we have new videos that come out. Thanks for watching.